Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a database using phpMyAdmin step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginner friendly. How are learning PHP, MySQL, web development? So let's start. First, open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin, and this will open the my PHP dashboard where we manage MySQL database. You can see on the screen. Now the left side on new. Here can we create a database name. Now enter the database name. For example, I will create a database called studentdb. Next, select the collection. I recommended using UTF and then click the create button. As you can see on the left side, our database student has been created successfully. You can see that's how you create a database in phpMyAdmin. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorial. In the next video, I will show you how to create table inside a database in phpMyAdmin. Thank you everyone.